The House of Representatives is pushing two key measures aimed at strengthening good governance and fighting corruption: the Independent Commission for Infrastructure Bill and the Anti-Political Dynasty Bill. Here is the report.
The Independent Commission for Infrastructure Bill and the Anti-Political Dynasty Bill. These are the two priority bills of House Speaker Bogie D. III as the House of Representatives resumed plenary session on Tuesday afternoon. The lower chamber called off Infracom hearings 2 months ago to give way to the creation of the ICI. But D pointed out in his plenary speech that the Filipinos have zero tolerance for corruption, thus pursuing the bill. The Independent Commission Against Infrastructure Corruption Bill aims to give more powers to the ICI. This includes possibility to directly file complaints, cancel registration of establishments involved in flood control projects, and revoke professional licenses of implicated officials. Further, D vouches.
Malinaw ang ating mensahe. There will be zero delays in the passage of this measure because our people have zero tolerance for corruption. Ang direktiba natin dito, we will pass this before we adjourn this December.
Aside from the ICI bill, D also mentioned that the Anti-Political Dynasty Bill will be a priority for the Congress. The Speaker acknowledges that he is no stranger to the allegations of being part of a political family, yet also believes,
hindi ko po itinatanggi sapagkat naniniwala ko na ang paglilingkod ay hindi minamana, kundi ipinagkakatiwala ng taong bayan.
The Anti-Political Dynasty Bill has long been in discussion in Philippine politics, but it is yet to be passed into law after years or even decades of race in the Congress. This time, D wants to continue gaining greater public trust through these reforms in governance.
Patunayan po natin, hindi lamang sa salita kundi sa ating mga gawa, na bukas at handa tayong makinig sa ating mga kababayan. At dahil dito, nagmumula ang tunay na direksyon ng ating pong pamahalaan.
Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.